trespass.
Property!
They can't. Don't open the door. They can't trespass.
Hold on 1 second. Turn the music off.
We'll turn it down. We'll turn it down.
No, the music is low. It has nothing to do with that.
Open the window.
Open the door. Don't open the door.
Okay, don't open the door.
They have no search warrant. They have no right.
Don't open the door.
They have no right to get it. Everybody, put on your cameras. Oh, it's a sheriff.
Tell them get off the property.
If it's breach of the peace, that's actual crime. But other than that, you want to open the window? Here, open the window. Halfway. Open it 1 inch. Open it 1 inch.
Hold on. Get off my property. Get off my property. What? I don't answer any questions. Are you? Do you
Get
have?
off the property. Get off the property.
Yeah. You have no authority. Get off.
Who's the owner of the property?
Be nice to him.
I don't answer any questions.
He doesn't have to be
Okay, get off. You have no authority over.
Is it
I'm
a
a
noise
state
complaint?
national.
Why are you here? Why are you here?
Read what I put
We
on the
we come in
door.
peace. We come.
Who's the owner of the property?
Well, why are you
I
here,
don't
sir?
answer any.
Why are you here,
nobody
sir?
answer any questions. It's not your business.
What's the problem, man? What's the problem? Why are you here?
Do you own the property?
No, we
don't-
want to know why you're
we
here.
don't answer any
We come in
questions.
peace and we're having a great time on a Friday night. We just want to know why you're here.
Here's the deal. If we come back out, there's going to be citations issued. Okay?
Yeah, we just
No,
want to know
we
why
don't
you're here.
care. We don't.
What? Yeah, is it noise?
Yeah,
Is it
we.
noise?
read-
Why are you here?
read
I'm not going to
what's on
talk
the
to
door.
20 people.
Okay,
If you're reasonable, I'll talk to you outside, sir.
I'm
No,
not going outside.
we don't
Is it
open the
noise? Why are you
door.
here?
That's it. It's a noise complaint.
Okay, so we'll
Thank
keep
you.
it down.
Thank
We'll turn off the music. We'll keep it down.
That's all I'm
And we'll be
asking.
quiet.
Okay.
Sorry.
Get off our property, please.
No.
We send you peace and love, man. Hey, we know.
I got
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
I got your communication.
is done.
Fingers out.
Florence!